Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Learn Hub. Today's topic is numbers from 100, that is 100 to 999. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go through them so that you will understand this lecture better. So in our first lecture, we learned numbers from 0 to 9 and then from 10 to 99. So first we learned from 0 to 9 and after 9 we got 10, right? How did we get 10? We had number 9 and we had nothing on the left. That means we have 0. So whenever we reach 9, we need to make this 9 to be 0 and we need to change its left digit, that is 0 here, to its next number. What comes after 0? 1. So we got 1 here and 0 here. So we got 1 0, that is 10. That's how we got 10. And then we learn from 10 to 99. So now we reach 99, right? How to get its next number? Our rule is simple. From any number to get its next number, we need to change always the rightmost digit. Here the rightmost digit is 9. So whenever you reach 9, you need to make that digit as 0 and you need to change its left digit. What is the left digit here? Again 9. So you need to apply same rule. Whenever you reach 9, you have to make that digit 0 and you have to change its left digit. If there is nothing, that means you have 0 here. So you will make this 0 to 1. So you will get 100. That is 100. This is 100. Okay. This is how 100 look like. So 100 is like having 100 rupees or having $100. This is how 100 look like. Okay. This is number 100. This is number 100. This is 100. Okay. And you reached 100 now. How to get next number? Again, you need to always change the rightmost digit from any number to get its next number. So what is the rightmost digit here? 0. That means you need to change this 0 to get its next number. So let's see. So we changed this rightmost digit from 0 to 1. Why 1? Because 1 is the next number after 0, right? That's the reason we made this 0 to 1. So we got 101. That is 101. Okay. And here again rightmost digit is 1. So we need to change this one to its next number. What comes after 1 is 2. So we got 102. That is 102. Again we need to change the rightmost digit. That is this 2. So we'll get 103. This 10 remains same and this 2 changes to 3. So we got 103. That is 103. Right? And again we need to change the rightmost digit here from 3 to its next number, that is 4. So we got 104, that is 104. Okay, and again we need to change this 4 to 5. We get 105. This is 105. Okay, and we need to change this 5 to its next digit. What comes after 5? 6. So we got 106, that is 106. And again we need to change the 6 to 7. We'll get 107, that is 107. And again the rightmost digit here is 7. So we need to change this rightmost digit 7 to 8 and we'll get 108, that is 108. Okay, again we reached 8 here and this is the rightmost digit, so we need to change this 8 to 9. We'll get 109. We'll get 10, that is 109. And what we should do now? We got 9 here, and how to get next number? Our rule is simple. Whenever we reach 9, we need to make that digit 0 and we need to change its left digit. That is this 0 here. So we reached 109, right? So we need to make this 9 to be 0, right? And we have to make its left digit, that is 0 here, to its next number. So what comes after 0 is 1. So we made this 9 to be 0 and we made this 0 to be 1, and this 1 remains same. So we'll get 110, that is 110. Okay, so we got 110. And now again simple, we need to always change rightmost digit, right? So we change this 0 to 1, we'll get triple one, that is 111. Okay, and we need to change this 1 now, and we'll get 112. So this is 112, or you can call it 112. And this is the rightmost digit here, so you need to change this 2 to 3, you'll get 113. And you need to change this 3 to 4, so you will get 114. Now this is the rightmost digit 4, so you need to change this 4 to 5, so you will get 115, that is 115 or 115. So this is the rightmost digit here, so you need to change this 5 to 6, you will get 116. Now you need to change this 6 to 7, and you will get 117. This is the rightmost digit here, so you need to change this 7 now. That means you will get 7 to 8, and 1 1 remains same, right? So you will get 118 or 118. Okay, from 118 you need to change the rightmost digit here. Here 8 is the rightmost digit, right? So you need to change 8 to 9, you will get 119. Similar pattern, right? So now we got 119. How to get next number now? We need to change this 9 to 0, and we need to change its left digit from 1 to 2. So we'll get this remains 1 and it changes to 2, and this becomes 0. So we'll get 120. Did you understand? 119 to 120. This is 120. And again similar, we need to change this rightmost 0, and we'll get 1 to 1, that is 121. And we need to change this 1 to 2, we'll get 122. And we need to change this 2 to 3, we'll get 123. Again rightmost digit need to be changed, that means you'll get 1 to 4, that is 124. Now you need to change this 4 to 5, you'll get 125. Now you need to change 5 to 6, so you will get 126. Here the rightmost digit is 6, so you need to change 6 to 7, you will get 127, right? Again you need to change 7 to 8, you will get 128. Again you need to change 8 to 9, and you will get 129. Now you reach 129, right? Now it's simple now, right? You can guess right next number. This 9 will become 0, and this 2 will become 3. So you will get 130. This is the number you will get, right? 130. That is 130. Okay. And again you need to change this 0 to 1, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 9 here. See, did you notice like these first two digits 1 3 remains same across all numbers, but the only rightmost digit changes from 0 to 9. You just need to change this rightmost digit, and we will get from 130 to 139. Okay, this is 130, 130, and we changed this 0 to 1 here, so we got 131. And we change this one to 2 here, we got 132. And we change this 2 to 3 here, so we got 133. And we change this 3 to 4, and we got 134. Now here the 4 to 5, we got 135. Here rightmost digit is 5, so we change from 5 to 6, so we got 136, right? And we change this rightmost digit again from 6 to 7, and we got 137, that is 137. And from 137 we changed this 7 to 8, we got 138. And changed 8 to 9, we got 139. Okay, and next number is simple, 140. Just we changed from 139, we made this 9 0, and we changed this 3 to 4, we got 140, that is 140. Okay, And again we need to change the rightmost digit from 0 to 9. We'll get 140 and 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149. And again we need to change this. We reach 9, right? The rightmost digit. So we need to make this digit as 0, and we need to change its left digit, that is this 4 to 5. We will get 150, that is 150. We got 150, and we need to change the rightmost digit here, that is 0. 0 to 1, we'll get 151. From 1 to 2, we'll get 152. And again this 2 changes to 3, so we'll get 153. And we got 153 here, and we need to change this 3 now, so we'll get 153 to 154. And we need to change this 4 to 5 now, and we'll get 155. And we need to change this 5 to 6, so we'll get 156. And now here rightmost digit is 6. We need to change from 6 to 7, we'll get 157. Again rightmost digit is 7. We need to change from 7 to 8, and we'll get 158. And rightmost digit is 8. We need to change from 8 to 9, so we'll get 159. And how to get next number here? This is simple right now, isn't it? So we need to change this 9 to 0, and we need to make this digit 5 to its next number. What comes after 5? 6. So this 5 will become 6, this 9 will become 0. So we'll get 160, that is 160. And again we need to change this rightmost digit. We'll get 161, and then 162, and from 2 to 3 we'll get 163, and from 3 to 4 we'll get 164, and 4 to 5 we'll get 165, and from changing 5 to 6 we'll get 166, from changing this 6 to 7 we'll get 167, and from changing from the 7 to 8 we'll get 168, right? And we need to change the rightmost digit here, 8, that is we'll get 168 to 169. And again now simple, right? We need to change only this 9 to 0, and this digit from 6 to next number, that is 7, so we'll get 170, right? We'll get 170. And again we need to change this rightmost digit here from 0 to 9. We'll get 170, 171, and 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, and 179. Now how to get next number? Again we need to make this 9 to be 0, and we need to change this digit 7 to 8. We'll get 180. Okay, and again we need to change the rightmost digit from 0 to 9, so we'll get 180, that is 180, and 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189. Okay, and again we reach 9 here. The rightmost digit is reached 9, so we need to make it 0, and we need to change its left digit, that is 8 here. So we need to change this 8 to its next number, that is 9. So we have to make this 8 to be 9, and we have to make this 9 to 0. So we'll get 190, that is 190. Now what we have to do? We need to change this rightmost digit from 0 to 1. So we'll get 191, that is 191. And again we need to change this 1 to 2. We'll get 192, that is 192. Again we need to change this 9 to 3. So we'll get 193, that is 193. Again rightmost digit here is 3. So we need to change this 3 to 4. We'll get 194. Again rightmost digit is 4. So we need to change from 4 to 5. We'll get 195. And rightmost digit here is 5. We need to change from 5 to 6. We'll get 196. We need to change from 6 to 7. We'll get 197. And again we need to change 7 to 8. We'll get 189. Here the rightmost digit is 8. So we need to change from 8 to 9. We'll get 199, that is 199. Now we reached 199. How to get next number? Let's see. These are all the numbers we just learned, right? From 100 to 199. See, did you notice that these are just similar to 0 to 99, but this extra one digit, that is 1 here, got added, and we got all the way from 100 to 199. This only one digit got extra. See, these are the 0 to 9, and if you remove this one, you'll get from 10 to 19, and from 20 to 29, here 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, here 60 to 69, here 70 to 79, here again 80 to 89, 90 to 99. Just by adding this one, we got from 100 to 199. So these are just simple, just extra one digit got added. And let's move to next number. How do we get next number? We already reached 199. So whenever we reach 9, we need to make it 0. So first rule is we need to always change the rightmost digit. But when we reach 9, then we need to make 9 to be 0, and we need to change its left digit. But here again we got 9 here, so we need to make it again 0, and we need to change its left digit. Here this time the left digit is 1, so we need to make this one to its next number. What comes after 1 is 2. So we make this one to be 2, and this will get 200. See, we made this 9 to be 0, we made this 9 to be 0, and we made this 1 to be 2. So we got 200, that is 200. 200 is like having 200 rupees or having $200. This is number 200. Okay, and this is 200, this is 200, this is number 200, this is 200. Okay, and these are the numbers from 200 to 299. See, these are very similar to previous numbers, but just one is replaced by 2, and we got all the numbers from 200 to 299. Okay, see, we got 200, so we change the rightmost digit from 0 to 9. We got from 201 to 209. Okay, and after reaching 9, what we have to do? See, we have to make this 9 to be 0, and we have to increase this 0 to 1. So we will get 210, that is 210. Okay, we got 210, and again we need to change the rightmost digit here from 0 to up to 9. So we'll get from 210 to 219, that is 219. Again we reach 9 here, so we have to make this 9 to be 0, and we need to change its left digit, that is 1 to 2. So we'll get 220, that is 220. Again we need to change the rightmost digit from 0 to 9, so we'll get from 220 to 229. And again we reach 9 here, so we need to make this 9 to be 0, and we need to change its left digit from 2 to 3, so we'll get 230. And again change rightmost digit from 0 to 9, we will get from 230 to 239. Okay, we reached 9 here, so we need to make 9 to be 0 again, and we need to change from this 3 to 4, so we'll get 242 to 49. Just see, the rightmost digit is changing from 0 to 9, and we got from 242 to 49. Again we reached 249. So whenever we reach 9, we need to make that digit as 0, and we need to change its left digit from 4 to next number. What comes after 4? 5. I have to make this 9 to be 0 and 4 to be 5, so we'll get 250. Okay, and again we need to change rightmost digit from 0 to 9, and we will reach 259, that is 259. Once we reach 259, we need to make this 9 to be 0, and we need to change its left digit, that is 5 to 6, so we will get 260, that is 260. And again rightmost digit from 0 to 9, we will get 269. Here 269, that is 269. And again once you reach 269. You need to make this 9 to be 0, and you need to change from 6 to 7. So we'll get 270. And again, rightmost digit need to be changed from 0 to 9. So you will get up to 279. Again, you need to make this 9 to be 0, and you need to change from this 7 to 8. So you will get 280. And again, rightmost digit from 0 to 9, and from 289 to 90, that is 290. And again you will get from 290 to 299. See, these are very similar to 100 to 199, but one got replaced with 2. That's the only change, and everything is same pattern will be followed even next. See, we reached 299, right? So how to get next number now? Our rule is simple again. You need to change rightmost digit, but rightmost digit here is 9. So what you should do now, you have to make this 9 to be 0, and you need to change its left digit. Again, here left digit is 9, so you need to make this digit to be 0 again, and you need to change its left digit. Here left digit is 2, so now you can change this number from 2 to 3. So we will get 300, that is 300. And the next numbers are very similar to previous numbers from 200 to 299. The only thing is 2 got replaced with 3. So we will get all the way from 300 to 399. You can see these are very similar. Just zeros got changes from 0 to 9, and then once you reach 9, the left digit gets changed from 1 to 9. So you will get from 300 to 399. And the very similar, right? Similar patterns need to be followed. And once you reach 399, what you should know, again rightmost digit need to be changed, but rightmost digit here is 9, and you need to make it this 9 to 0, and you need to change left digit is again 9, so you need to make it 0, and you need to change its left digit, that is from 3 to 4. You will get 400, that is 400. And again you have to change the rightmost digit from 0 to 9, and once you reach 9, you need to increase its left digit, and you will get all the numbers from 400 to 499. And the next number will be 499, and you need to make this 9 to be 0 again. You need to change left digit, that is again 9. So you need to change from this 9 to 0, and you need to update this left digit, that is from 4 to 5. We will get 500, that is 500. We reached up to 500. So next numbers will be very simple, just similar pattern, similar to 400 to 499, but the 4 is replaced with 5, and you get all the numbers from 5 to 5, 500 to 599. Okay, from 500 to 599. See, again rightmost is digit is changing, and when you reach 9, you need to change its left digit. When you reach 9, you need to change left digit. When you reach 9, you need to change left digit 2 to 3. When you reach 9, you need to change left digit from 3 to 4. When you reach 9, you need to change left digit from 4 to 5. Similarly, when you reach 9 again, you need to change left digit from 5 to 6. And again rightmost digit from 0 to 9, and once you reach 9, left digit gets changed from 6 to 7, and again from 0 to 9. Once you reach left 79, you need to change the left digit, that is 7 here. So you will get 580, and again you need to change 0 to 9, right? And once you reach 9 on the rightmost digit, you need to change its left digit. So you need to change this 8 to 9, and you have to make this 9 to 0. You will get 590. So all the way you will get from 500 to 599. And next is, yes, again you got 599. So how to get next number? Again, you have to make this 9 to be 0, and left digit is again 9. So you have to make this 9 to be 0, and you have to change this digit from 5 to 6. You will get 600, that is 600. And you will get numbers from 600 to 699, very similar to previous numbers. just 5 got replaced with 6, and you will get all the numbers from 600 to 699. Once you learn numbers from 0 to 99, you can easily write from 100 to 199, and once you write 100 to 199, you can write up to all these numbers very easily. Only 1 will be replaced with 2, 2 will be replaced with 3, and 3 will be replaced with 4, 5, and 6 here. Similar, very similar. And once you reach 699, you have to make this 9 to be 0, and left digit again is 9, so you need to make this digit to be 0, and you need to change its left digit, that is this 6, from 6 to its next number, that is 7. So you will get 699 to 700, that is 700. Okay, again these numbers are very similar. You just replace 6 with 7, and you will get from 700 to 799. Okay, did you notice they are very similar? 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, right? And 90 to 99. Okay, just the 7 is extra, very similar. And you reach all the way from 700 to 799. And the next number is simple now, right? You can easily tell this time. You need to change this 9 to 0. Again, you have to change its left digit, again 9. So you need to make this 9 to 0, and you have to change its left digit from 7 to 8. So we'll get 800, that is 800. Okay, it's very easy, right? Numbers. Yeah, once you reach 800, again very similar, the 7 got replaced with 8 here, so you will get from all the numbers from 800 to 899. See, these are very similar, very similar, right? So you got up to 899, you got a 899, right? After 899 you will get 900. So you make 9 to be 0, you make again 9 to be 0, you make from 8 to 9, so you will get 900. Okay, and all the numbers are very similar to previous numbers. You just 8 will be replaced with 9, and you will get 900 to 999. See, from 900 we changed this rightmost digit, so we got from 900 to 909. And once we reach 9, we change its left digit 0 to 1, so we got 910. And again we change the rightmost digit from 0 to 9, right? So we got from 910 to 919. Okay, 919. And once we reach 9, we change this left digit from 1 to 2, right? So we got 920. Again, rightmost digit from 0 to 9. And once we reach 129, we change this 2 to 3, and we made 9 to be 0. We got 130. Similarly, we changed all the numbers from 0 to 9. Once we reached, we increase the left digit. 940, 950, 960, 970, 980, and 990, right? So all the way we reached from 900 to 999, that is 999, 999. So we reach 9 hit here, the rightmost digit, and 9 in the middle digit, and 9 in the leftmost digit, right? So we reached all the 9s. So the next number will have 4 digits, right? So that is the reason this is the largest triple digit number. 999 is the largest triple digit number. If you haven't understand numbers in the first go, please rewatch the video. If you understand, please give us a like. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next lecture. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.